We took a Disney Eastern Caribbean cruise with our kids and parents. Come along on our Jost Van Dyke beach day as we play in the water and visit the bar that's the home of the original Painkiller.
Hey Meadowbrook travelers, we are here on the island of Tortola and it is gorgeous.
We started the day with breakfast in a main dining room.
I had beefy get up and was living a friend social thing. Happy day.
Disney had us meet on the ship, and then they led us to the boat that would take us to the next island.
Welcome to the BVI, welcome aboard Belarus. For your food.
Once we got to Jost Van Dyke, we boarded an open-air taxi to drive us to the beach. The beach is beautiful, but there are some rocks close to the shoreline. That didn't stop my kids, though. The full-day excursion does include a buffet lunch. After lunch, we headed to the Soggy Dollar Bar, home of the original Painkiller.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I am here at the Soggy Dollar Bar in Jost Van Dyke Beach at the British Virgin Islands, and this is where the Painkiller was invented. So of course, we had to try one. It's delicious.
After our drinks, we had a little bit more time to play in the water before we had to board the taxi that brought us to the boat that brought us back to the ship. As you can see, it's a fun but tiring day.